Welcome to the Crypto Doctor Show. Today is the 20th edition of our crypto challenge, turning 2,500 into $1,000,000 in less than 2 years. So let me tell you about the current stats today. We started out with 2,500 as our initial capital. Currently, we're at 29.91, and our daily target for today was to be at $3,020. So basically, we're short for about $30. Actually, yesterday I was up to 3,001. And the reason why, let me explain why I'm actually down $10 from my previous position from yesterday. So if we go to the exchange, you're going to see that my portfolio, it was indeed at 3,001. But whenever you take an active position, I mean, this is what you expect. So, and let me explain the reason behind that. And let me, I have two orders that are active and one that actually fulfilled. Let's make this bigger so that I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, let's kill this one and we can just keep that one open. All right, so let me zoom it in. As you can see, we've had, in this past week, we experienced this tremendous spike, and I was able to take this position, take advantage of it. You can see my arrow right here. This was back on the 1st of February. Then, as you can see, I sold it for a higher price. Yes, I could have gone all the way to the top, but sometimes, it's better to be consistent and to be conservative, because when you get these type of spikes, they also, a downtrend also follows. So I just took my gains here and then I waited, and then turns out it continued to grow. Then, as you can see, the market corrected and then it went sideways slightly, and then we had another spike, but then you can see this downtrend for 3 consistent hours. It dropped, it continued to drop, and then it recovered. And then since then, this is actually around the 2nd of February, you can see that the market was actually sideways and it was going up and down, up and down. There were some progressive increases and then sharp downtrends when people are basically taking their profits. And as you can see, this line, for me, doing some technical analysis, reading the charts, in my opinion, this became the new low, the new base low, right? So this is exactly why I actually had a position placed to pick up some mana, the central lamp, at 77. Actually, it was like 77 and 7 cents. And when, as you can see right there, I'm going to zoom it in. There's my arrow. So it spiked today. And then let's be accurate about this. Around 8 a.m. in the morning, it went as high as 80 cents. Then it corrected, and then it went up again, and someone probably bought it at market value, and they bought some significant amount. It pushed it all the way up to like 80 cents and 0.8620. Then the market corrected again, and it started going sideways. And then around, say, 1800, around 6 p.m., we saw the downtrend, and I actually had a position. As you can see, this green line, this was my position, waiting to buy and pick up some Decentraland, and I did. But it seems like at 7 p.m. it continued to go slightly down. Then at 8 it continued to drop even more. But then we are right now, it's 9 p.m. and you can see we have a green candle. It's starting to recover, and that is expected. So I picked it up for a lower price at 77, and I'm just going to be patient. I already have a position, as you can see, the red dotted line, that I'm going to be selling at 79 cents, and those, and a little bit more. And those 2 cents, based on the amount of units that I have, will give me a very healthy profit, so that I can make today's goal and maybe even go into tomorrow's daily target. So that's the reason why it went down $10. Whenever you take a position, you have to pay trading fees, and it's not like you get it and then immediately the market starts going up. There's always some correction. So if you buy here, even though I strategically bought here, imagine if I was to buy up here when it was at 80 or 79, I would have been losing money. So I just strategically placed this position to get it at a really good value. And right now, as you can see, it's recovering. And as soon as it reaches my 79 cents, I'm going to sell, take the profits, and position myself to continue with this crypto challenge on for day 21, which would be tomorrow. So let's just quickly go back to the Excel worksheet so I can show you what that looks like. So as you can see, today, number 20, day 20, I should be at 30.20, and tomorrow we expect to be at 30.50. And at this point, we're getting close to basically the daily target is nearly $30, and it will progressively increase due to the 1% daily compound. So with that, I will leave you. Today is actually February 4th, 2023, and day 20 in our crypto challenge. If you're not familiar with my crypto challenge, I encourage you to go and watch the video number 1, so you can actually learn, get all the details, get a little bit more background information as to who I am, why I'm doing this. As you can see on the stream, I'm a PhD in blockchain technology. I've been in this industry for over close to a decade now, and my PhD dissertation studies were actually in cryptocurrency adoption. I'm really a fan. I'm a blockchain ambassador. I really like the positive things that the blockchain technology brings as an innovative, disruptive technology, and also cryptocurrencies, the opportunity that it gives us, that it empowers consumers to take control of their digital wealth. But with that, there's also pros and cons, good things, opportunities, and fraud. So stay vigilant. Don't give your money to anybody. I'm showing you the way so that you can learn how to invest on your own and how to learn to evaluate these blockchains and these cryptocurrencies on your own, so that you don't come across and go through any bad experiences. So with that, I will leave you, the Crypto Doctor, tuning out.